Hello guys, welcome to my channel. From your Microsoft Surface, any laptop, it's their screen is powered on, black light on it. So how to fix? So first guys, press the power button 20 to 30 second. Continue. This is power button guys. Okay, in your laptop. Long press 30 to 20 to 30. It will turn off your monitor light in on screen light, then wait few seconds, then wait few seconds means 10 to 15 seconds, then just single click to power button, and after that you can start it. Okay, this is first but very important. Long press 20 to 30, then wait 10 second, 10 to 20, and then single click to power button. Okay, then next, then in your keyboard I show you one command. This is a forcefully rested graphic driver if it is some problems like that. So this command is in your keyboard. Press Windows, Control, Shift, and press B. Okay. After the restart, you can do it. This is alone important for your system. Yeah. Then next, repair your Windows. Click to start. Type CMD and right click to run as administrator. Then type yes, and then type sfc space less scan now, and then hit enter. After that it will start the percentage. When it is completed, then need to restart, and then again you have to check your system. If you are getting any issue, so please comment me. I will create another videos for this, and then thank you.